Good day, my name is Leighton Williams, and my lesson plan was for grade 4 mathematics. The topic was two dimensional shapes. The lesson objective was for learners to know what a 2D shape is, and for learners to know the different types of 2D shapes, and for learners to also know the different types of forms that the shape comes in, and the different types of sides to the 2D shapes. The tools I used was textbooks and old activity books and Kahoots for quizzes. So the first activity was to name the different types of 2D shapes by how it looks. And the second activity was to match the different types of 2D shapes to the number of sides to the shapes. This lesson plan and activity has helped the learners immensely by knowing what a 2D shape is and the different types of different numbers of sides to every shape, and it helps them. It's gonna make it very easier for them when they learn about 3D shapes.